At Express Service Group Inc., we're here to help you prepare your home for the colder months. Whether it's protecting your home or business's plumbing from frozen pipes, fixing a burst pipe, or performing routine plumbing maintenance to winterize your system, we've got you covered. Our expert team specializes in residential and commercial plumbing, from emergency plumber services to ensuring your pipes and fixtures are ready for freezing temperatures. We handle water heater replacement, tankless water heater installation, and faucet repair. For bigger jobs, we offer sewer repair, sewer line replacement, and sewer camera inspection. Need a Repipe specialist? We're here to help with that too. We also provide water filtration services, carbon filtration systems, water pressure booster pumps, and water softener service to keep your home running smoothly through the winter. From outside faucet repair and bathroom repair to grease trap installation, we'll ensure all your plumbing needs are met. Trust Express Service Group Inc. for plumbing installation, water pipe repair, pipe leak repair, rooter service, and drain repair. Preparing for winter or tackling unexpected issues, our team delivers professional and reliable service you can count on.
Now remember, don't stress. Call Express for all your electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and water and fire restoration needs at 843-488-4503. Again, that's 843-488-4503. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll stay up to date with Express. We appreciate you sharing our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to watch the next Express video. Thank you for watching.